You must have seen the videos of people exploding on YouTube using something called YouTube Shorts automation. Well, this video breaks down all the websites and tools to use to blow a YouTube channel up in only 1 month. So if you're a student wanting to earn a decent amount of passive income, you're in the right place. The first thing about making a YouTube channel is picking a specific but fairly broad niche. This will help YouTube pick the right audience for you, helping you to get more watch hours and views. I wanted to pick a niche that has the largest audience, so I went with podcasts and news or politics. This aims my content at middle-aged people interested in podcasts. Next thing you want to do is bookmark all of these tools on screen, vidIQ keywords, Too Short AI, and you want to bookmark Google Trends to find the best trending topics for your shorts. The key to becoming successful is to be consistent, so make sure to give at least 20 minutes a day to your YouTube channel and shorts. Now using Google Trends, you want to search up topics that are relevant today and have high searches. Once you've found a good topic, use vidIQ keywords to search good keywords to use in your title, description and tags for your YouTube short. This tricks the YouTube algorithm to believe your video covers all these highly searched topics, increasing your chances to go viral. For my short, I decided to use the general election debate between Rishi Sunak and Keir Starmer, as it has the highest keyword score and went well on Google Trends as it happened just a week ago, making it relevant for my target audience. To actually make the shorts, use the full video you will use, for me, that's the debate video, and copy the link. Then paste it into Too Short AI, and in seconds, the AI will produce 100 viral short ideas with subtitles with colors of all lengths and ideas. After this, collect your favorite short or two and bring these over to YouTube. Once you have these, use the keywords from vidIQ in your title, tags and description, and in an instant, you'll have a YouTube automation channel, making viral shorts that take 10 minutes to produce. Remember to keep this consistency. Using these tips, remain consistent, use ideas that have worked in the past, use attention-grabbing captions, and always start your video with an interesting hook or trending topic. If these tips don't prove too useful, you can always take inspiration from channels about your niche and use central ideas or hooks they did and check what went well with their video, which yours didn't. Always remember, the Shorts tab on YouTube is at its peak of pushing new creators to viewers to combat TikTok. So now is the right time, and if one short flops, never give up on your channel. Wish you guys luck with your journeys. If you liked the video, be sure to like and share this video. And if it really helped you, make sure to subscribe. It's free and brings a smile to my face to help you.